Sia Khaleesi will always love Rachel. No, actually, he'll love any girl named Rachel. No, ufuna uRachel omkhumbuza uRachel. No, actually, Usia, see, but it's more better if your name is Rachel. Ngiyamukela kunqobo yami ngumtaba kadad, ngumtaba kagogo, ngumtaba ka-auntie, ngumtaba kasisi. I am Sims and it's at the right Sims on Instagram. So please follow your sister. I also promote businesses and YouTube channels. If you want more traffic on your platforms, I have got you covered. We also have a January special because we know it's Mampara month. January has 6 months in 1 month. So you can understand, Mina. Hi Nina. Hi Nina. Sia Khaleesi. Yes, he might be divorced from Rachel Khaleesi, and we all heard about the allegations and the infidelity. I don't know how to pronounce things that move with cheating. Mm-mm. In this no good cheater perhaps. I leave them up to Jube. Infidelities. Yes, you guys remember that when Sia was still married to old Rachel, he was alleged to be in the crooked places with his boss. Rachel had said that there were women reaching out of his DMs, and she was responding to the DM saying, he is a married man with 4 kids. Leave him alone. That wasn't enough because Usia still went and put his boss in other frying pans. Guess what? We all know how that story ended. It ended in a divorce. And what is happening now? He just launched his new relationship with a girl named Rachel. Abafana, 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 when I catch them. And when I'm talking about Abafana, I'm just talking about Sia Khaleesi. Before we carry on with this video, we have got an update on our Airbnb hosting classes. I will link the WhatsApp group down below this video. It will be pinned in the comment section down below. If you are interested in hosting on Airbnb without having property and you also filled in that Google form, you got Google's Holdings, worry not because we are back and we've got a WhatsApp group that you can join so that you can be a part of these amazing upcoming classes. Don't say that I don't ever plug you. Anne, now back to the video. Usia has posted videos of his new Rachel, and I just think that Usia has a thing for our Rachel, or I don't know if he's trying to replace a Rachel, and he just thought he does not have time. He does not have time to cram new names. So even if he calls the wrong name when they are doing the Vinky Bonko, it won't even matter. But it's going to be how he calls it. Is it Rachel or Rachel or Ray Ray? Like baby Zanabang. Like also, is it not jaded that you date someone with your ex's name? Like, is it not weird in another kind of way, or it's just me? It's just me that I'm sensitive. Anyway, this new Rachel seems like she's super adventurous. They like doing adventurous things. But see ya, we are still hurt because Rachel was our national asset. She was our national wife. Ne? So you had one, you had us. So now we want to wish you good luck with this, Rachel. And let's hope that your divorce is a private company. It's just between the two of you as sleeping partners. Ningasifaki this time. Your private part collaborations must just end with you and start with you and be between you. Okay? Anyway, guys, Abafana, they move on. That time I'm looking at Rachel, she's writing books. She is still on the TikTok on the healing journey. She's still doing the chakra and alignment and the body movement of growing up and repairing therapy. Oh, see, yeah, he's been in the streets ever since the divorce has been announced. So let us see how this whole thing plays out. Yes, it's none of my business, but it's my business because my daughter was involved when they were married. I used to write, "No, you guys are so cute. Oh, my people." Yeah, no. Let me end this video because, guys, really, nyakulane, but I'm trying to hang in there, but I have to deliver the news. I know you guys need me here. So yeah, but I have to end this video in Diagoa. But let's talk in the comment section down below if this is something you are interested in. We are always interested in Devin Zaband. What do you mean if when I'm telling Lebanon, guys? All right, I'll see you on the next.